Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Kat and welcome back to my channel. My mom had asked me to do a small project for her. She wanted me to use command hooks and I said no. I came up with another idea and I found this. I actually bought this at Canadian Tire. It holds 10 pounds, great for general purposes. It's heavy duty. It ties and it straps. You can also use it for fabrics, and it's also good for the gardens. It also is water resistant and it has more holding power. And the best thing, it's a peel and stick. And it's perfect for the garages or the basement. So I'm gonna show you what I did, and I hope you liked the video and informative. This is a great tool to have if you're considering doing things around the house. So stay tuned. In this package, you'll get 2 strips. So you want to open it up. And it comes out looking like that. You'll notice that this one, it had Velcro. And the second strip, you can see it has this flat surface, and this actually will hold the Velcro. So when you cut your piece to the desired length that you want it, okay, you notice there's a piece of tape, and on the other one you have just like a flat surface. And then once you cut your desired length, then what you want to do is stick them together. And that's how that works. Now, before you begin your project, you want to start with some rubbing alcohol and some kind of rag that you want to use. And then you want to take your rubbing alcohol and then you want to put it on the rag, and then you want to wipe down the wall. You put the stripe on the wall. You want to leave this on for at least 15 minutes. The other side that has the Velcro, whatever it is that you are hanging up, and then you just stick it like this and then press down. Nice and sturdy, and it's hard. Okay, and this is what this looks like. Well, that's it for this video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and some good information, and it was informative. So until next time, we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.